In this video, we will discuss basic concept of maturity model. So, what is maturity model? Maturity model is the process to determine the maturity of any given process or procedure. Now, what is the objective of maturity model? Maturity model identify the gaps between the current state of process and desired state. So, for example, your current level is level 2 and your desired level is level 5. So you need to identify the gap between level 2 and level 5, and then organization need to work necessary actions for improvement to reach to level 5 from the current level of level 2. In short, objective of maturity model is constant improvement, continuous improvement. Many types of maturity models are available to determine the maturity of any given process. CMM or Capability Maturity Model is one of the widely used maturity model. Capability maturity models are useful to determine the maturity level of the governance processes. CMM has total 6 levels, that is from level 0 to level 5. Let us discuss each level. Level 0 indicates incomplete. So here process is not implemented or does not achieve its intended purpose. Level 1 indicates performed. Process is able to achieve its intended purpose. Level 2 means managed. Process is appropriately planned, monitored and controlled. Level 3 is established, wherein process is well defined, documented and established. Level 4 indicates predictable. That means process is predictable and within defined parameters to achieve its intended purpose. Level 5 is optimized. Here process is continuously improved to meet the current as well as projected goals. Please note these levels are only for understanding purpose. There will not be any direct question about levels of CMM in CSUM exam. Let us now discuss key aspect from exam perspective. Which models are used to determine the extent and level of processes? Your answer should be either maturity model or process performance and capability model. What is the best way to determine continuous improvement of the risk management process? Your answer should be adoption of maturity model. Let us now discuss some practice questions. Most important factor for development of maturity model based information security governance framework is, correct answer is option A, continuous evaluation, monitoring and improvement. Level of information security governance is best indicated by correct option is answer A, defined maturity model. Most effective indication to determine the level of governance is correct answer is option B, maturity level. Thanks for watching.